Right, so after 15.5 kilometres I finally made it to Winchester Cathedral. I'm going to go in and have a look around. I've never been in it before, so this will be new. So, just come out of the cathedral. It's very big, very big. High ceiling's got some footage. Quite busy in there though, people signing the book for the Queen. Felt a bit weird walking around with a camera, even though everyone else was doing it. But when I say, if you're from around here, I recommend you go visit it. It's free at the moment. Normally got to pay to go in. I'm going to sit down now, have something to eat, and we have I think I've got some Jaffa cakes in the bag, so I'm going to have some Jaffa cakes. Yes.